what is it that we need to know now, and what is the
All right.
situation
What
that?
you need to know at the moment is that the social media war, thanks to the West, Ukraine has won. The war on the ground, the Russians have won. This fellow, whatever his name is, Wally or Dolly, whatever this comic fellow, Zelensky, Volodymyr or something like that. And that's the Ukrainian version of Vladimir, which is the Putin
Yeah.
fellow. So what these guys have done, what this poor chap, he's immature. He speaks to the US Congress, they give him a standing ovation. Then he flexes his, hey, I'll do this. Childish, no? You don't do this in international relations. So this chap has sacrificed his country for his ego. And with the backing of that super senile fellow who runs the United States, Joe Bidensky, I think, or something like that. Not Bidensky, Biden, yeah. But on the ground, it's the Russians who they had the upper hand. Yeah, have they made mistakes? Well, the military experts say they didn't expect that the Ukrainians would fight back so much because they had lots of Western weapons and so on. Well, that remains to be seen how long they'll continue to fight. Because now, for the first time, some days ago, they admitted the Ukrainian they're losing up to 200 soldiers every day. How many more can they have? NATO is not going in guns blazing to defend them. They're too scared of the Russians. The Russian army has learnt its lesson, and now they are acting in a much more effective manner based on the images that we see and based on the territory that they're occupying. So ultimately, Ukraine has been used as a sacrificial lamb. Bali ka bakra, unfortunately.